Hi, welcome to my video on finding the derivative of the square root, and this video has an extra problem on the square root, just similar but yet different. Y equals x root x. Find the equation of the tangent at x equals 4 to y equals x root x. Well, y equals x root x. The x, I'm going to work this out two ways. That's x. I can go, that's, go this way. I can go, that's x squared times x. The x outside goes back inside to give you a square root. The square root of x squared is this x outside, and this one stays in here. So that's y equals root x, the root of x cubed, because when you multiply, 1 plus 2 is 3. So that's y equals x, and the square root is a 2, so that's a 3 over 2. That's one way to do it. Another way that you can express this as a power is change x, that's x to the 1, times, and that's square root of x is x to the half, and same basis, you add, so 1 plus a half becomes x. So 1 is 1.5, which is 3 over 2. So it's two ways that you can change this into a power. Now we need to do the derivative. I'm just going to work on one of these. To get the equation of the tangent, we need to do the derivative of this equation, because the derivative is the slope of the tangent. So y prime. Now, I'm going to use the power rule. So 3 over 2 goes in front, and we have 3 to the 2 minus 1. So that's 3 over 2, and that's 3 over 2 minus 1 is a half. Now I can leave it like that, or I can write it as a root. It's whatever you wish. But this is the derivative, but we're going to work it out at x equals 4. So where x equals 4, the derivative, y prime, x is 4. So you can see why I could leave it as x to the half, because 4 to the 1/2, that's understood to be the square root of 4, which is a 2. And the 2's cancel to give you a 3. So at 4, the derivative, the slope of the tangent is 3. So the slope, the derivative, y prime, is the slope of the tangent, which is 3. Now, this point, the point we have a 4. So what is the value of y? So let's go back to the initial equation, x root x. So x is 4, so we got 4 square root 4. So the square root of 4 is 2, so y is 8. So that has, when x is 4, y is 8. And we have a slope of 3. So y equals mx plus b. And that's the x and the y that's on this point on this function, f root x. So y is 8, the slope is 3, and the x value is 4. So 8, 3 times 4 is 12. So b is 8 minus 12. So b is negative 4. So y equals mx plus b. Y equals, the slope is 3, and the y-intercept is negative 4. So that's the equation of the tangent to this y equals x root x at 4, this equation. So just take time. The equation of the tangent is worked out the same way each time. The big, what you have to learn is how to get the derivative correctly. Once you get the derivative of the y value correctly, then you sub in the values of x and work things out. And again, if you like my video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, just one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.